how to sign up or onboard a agent. So we'll go to the website and here you can see sign up option. Click on this. Here, if you notice, it will ask you for the employee ID. Without employee ID, you will not be able to fill the application form. This we have implemented to avoid the junk sign-ups. Okay. So here, the other thing which you can see here is there are three categories. One is travel agency, the other one is freelancer, and the third one is corporate or SME. So I'll just explain what it is. So travel agency is a normal travel agency wherein we provide all the 8 to 9 products, and in these products a travel agent will be able to add a service fee which we call it as markup. He'll be able to add the markup and he'll get all the features and functionality of a travel agent. So the second one is freelancer. In this we will sign up a user under this who don't have a shop. For example, might be other professional, but he is interested in doing this travel ticketing business, but he don't have a exclusive shop or a outlet. So we will sign up such user under freelancer. And the third one is corporate or SME. Under this, user will get only three products: flight, hotel, and bus services. Flight, hotel, bus, and insurance also we can do for them. So in corporate or SME, will not be able to add or modify the ticket price. Service fee we can't add because this is a end user. Corporate or SME, they'll do the ticketing for themselves. So we have removed a markup feature from this and we have made only three products for them because mobile recharge, utility bill payments are not essential for corporate or SMEs. So now here it will ask you for the employee ID. So here you have to enter the employee ID. So the moment you enter employee ID, it will unblock the application form. So same you have to enter agency name, mobile number, and very importantly, we are going to verify the email ID. So email ID should be a valid email ID. To verify this email ID, which is very mandatory. So we'll send a login, we'll send a OTP by which we will verify the email ID. And after this, a GST is an optional and PAN card, enter the PAN card. PAN card is mandatory. Click on verify. And after this, here you can see documents verification. So in this, any one document needs to be verified. Okay. So Aadhaar number, recommended is Aadhaar number. If in case the user hesitate to provide his Aadhaar number, in such cases you can sign up with offline sign up. Okay, you can click here for online offline sign up and upload the documents, the Aadhaar front image and back image, and fill all the other information, address, password. Password should be upper and lowercase with one special character. If in case the repeat password, if you want to just cross check, you can view and compare both the passwords, enter the address and click on submit. That's it. So in next video, I'm going to show how to activate the agent. Thank you.